Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start today's mathematics activity of standard 5th, and that activity is based on the folding of paper method and fractions. So we will read it now, folding and fractions together in this activity. So let's have a fun while doing this activity. Let's note down some important points before writing an activity. For writing an activity, you have to take A4 size paper or chart paper or any plain paper, but size should be A4. Don't forget to mention your roll number, name, standard section on it. And then after that, you have to write down activity's name, objective, material required. And then you have to do the activity. If it is a picture, you have to draw there, and if it is a cutting and folding, you have to paste that. And don't forget to write the learning outcomes at the end of all these. And all this is given in the next slide. So let's have fun with the activity. Now activity 2. To represent the fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, etc. by paper folding using rectangular strips of paper, and to represent the fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, etc. of a circular region by paper folding. Objective is to understand the fraction as a part of the whole. So the material required is only the few strips of papers of uniform width and circular cutouts. If it is not there, you can cut the circular shape of the paper. See here, take a paper strip, say 10 cm long, fold it in the middle. The fraction two parts overlap with each other. Unfold and color the one part. Each part represents half, that is 1 upon 2. Now take another strips. Fold it as in steps 1. Again fold it in the middle, means 2 times you have to fold it from the middle, and then you open it. The strips are exactly converted into 4 equal parts. Now if you shade the one part, you will get the fraction as shown in the figure as 1 by 4. Now take the strips, again make the 3 equal parts, means unfold it. You will see the 3 folds you can see. Now color one part. Now this fraction shows 1 and the total parts are 3. So it is 1 by 3. So in this way, dear students, by easy way you have to take the strips as shown in the pictures and then fold it. You will get the different fractions. Shade it. Don't forget to make the shade. So have fun with drawing, coloring and the fractions by folding method. As soon as you finish the folding, paste that fraction strips on the paper and then write down the observation as given here, and then don't forget to write the learning outcomes. In this way you can finish your activity. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.